got a pile of free wood, and a wife who needs some storage. So I'm gonna be turning these scraps into a nice little shelving unit. No budget, no pro tools, just the drive to build our freedom. You ever feel like your home's clutter is buying into this idea that you need more money, more space, more stuff? My wife's oils and makeups were everywhere, and I knew that we needed a solution that didn't cost a dime. Because real freedom, it's not about buying it, it's about building it yourself. So here's what we'll be using today. Again, nothing fancy, just the bare necessities. We got our drills, some screws, circle saw, our levels, hammer in case we need it, sandpaper, make everything smooth, and all our scrap wood that we'll be using to make this awesome shelving unit. All from the pile of wood over on the side of my yard. If you got scrap wood, a drill, and a handful of screws, you're golden. Let's start building. We're making a 3 shelving unit, 24 inches wide, 30 inches tall, and a shelf depth at 8 inches. Remember, mark your boards, cut straight, and don't stress a little wobble. Imperfections are part of the story, my friend. Let's start building. See it yet? This is your little shelf. You go whoop, whoop, and then I'll put it back on there, and you can just put it up against the wall or whatever you want. Check it out, we're level. The bubble never lies. There we are, basic 3 shelf unit. I'm gonna go grab that piece of plywood and we're gonna measure this out so we can get a back on here. F&A cotton, perfect fit. Let's nail this down and get her done.
F&A cotton, F&A.
Bada bang, bada boom. 3 shelf unit in less than 10 minutes. Yeah. This shelf, it's more than just storage. It's proof that you don't need big budgets or fancy gear to solve real life problems. You need resourcefulness, creativity, and a belief that you can build the life that you want. One project at a time, from the dirt to freedom. Now, if you're ready to take clutter off of your counters and build your own solutions, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and share this video with someone you love. And drop a comment on a scrap build that you would like to see next. And let's keep building together. Thank you all for tuning into the channel. Thank you all for watching another video on Mundo's Homestead Adventures. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.